test study, but today we will be talking about little more details. Looping statement. Correct? Good to go. Anyone has any question before we start this to understand that is in export-CSV? Good to go. You guys are getting confident. Today we are in the class 6th, correct? It's a 6th class. So whenever we started on the 28th and it is, it still is not, we are in middle of the March. Getting some confident, some understanding concept of that PowerShell. If someone gives you the script, you would be able to understand the line by line. Yes or no?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. So now today, just see this. This is another important. Now we have that is in, we were talking about when we displaying the customized header. What we used, displaying the customized header, the output we need to get it. What is that command that we used it?
Format table.
Format table. Perfect. Now think about, we have that is in, we have anything you wanted to be saved. Okay. Anything you wanted to be saved. Say for example, I have that is information. There is a goal. Okay. Let's say this goal here. Goal is list of all the service information, specific server, share in the report format. Share in the report format. So there is a command later, get-service means all you will be having for everything, correct? If you see this get-service, you would be able to see this, all the service details. So what I will do, I will be going to save this is into the variable dollar report, dollar service report equal to get-service. Dollar service report equal to get-service. What is this meaning here? So whatever the all the services informations, everything would be saved into the where? Into which variable?
Service report.
Service report, right? If I type a service report, can I get this completely information? Yes, right? Now this I wanted to save in my file. So now what I will do, if we go to the ISE, better to go with ISE in script engine, ISE. Okay, let's see this CLS. Right hyphen host, get the all the service information, in report format, right? And send information, send the report. Now what I will, very simple, I'll do this dollar service report equal to service, get-service. Now what I will do, dollar service report pipeline operator, I would use a format table. Okay. And you know that customized header, right? What kind of you would need it? Name, status, and display name, correct? And I would be using export-CSV and give the path. What is the path here? D : PowerShell /2025/25/class6. and I would say this service report.csv. Correct? Is this clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, if I executed this, can I get it right report? It's a very simple 4-line script. Now, all the info, just you wanted to check one by one, right? Line number 2, selection, get all the service information, send the report. And line number 3, selection. And if I type here $service report, you got the result. Now, line number 4, you can execute this. You would be able to, the report has been saved it, right? Report has been saved where? You can go to this path, class number 6. You see this service report. If you open this service report, can you see this output is coming with the right format and right information? It's completely give me the junk format. Correct?
Yes.
Now remember, whenever you wanted to save the file, remember, when you get the report in a CSV format with customized header, you must use, what is that? Select hyphen object. Remember this point. I just said the format table, it is only displaying the result. Format table is displaying the customized header. But to save the file in Excel format, CSV format, you must use for, what is that?
Select object.
Select hyphen object. Now see this, I'll say this service report 1. Okay, because the file is already there. Now we execute the script all perfect. Now go back to this path. You see the service report 1. Now do you see this? You got that is in name, status, display name. But there is one more unwanted, it is type selected. This is coming. So what you can do, you can tell to the PowerShell, I don't need the type information. Just you can say to another file name number 2, I would say this is a no type information. You just say no type information. Now execute it. Now see, you would be able to getting service report with the right format or not. See this? Getting my point? Simple method. Whatever customized header you wanted to bring into the report format, what you want to do? Select an object with the header, and you can use the export -csv, and you can give the path and save it. Is that clear?
Yeah, but the type information from where it was coming?
It is, you see the previous report, report, if you see, right, it was showing you here. You see this type selected system dot service, this line number 1. I don't want this, right?
No, but how that is coming? That is my question.
It is one of the parameter. If you go to this export -csv, right?
Okay.
This export -csv, you would be able to, when you see get -help, right? Get -help. What is that? Export -csv. You would have that all the list up. What type of you needed result. You see here. Export -c. You have that all the parameter, correct? This one of the PCs, no type information. Getting? So to remove this in the Excel sheet, if you're not typing that no type information, what will happen? It will be coming like this, which is not required. Otherwise, you need to remove this way, or you can put into the script itself, say this, no type information.
Yeah.
So overall, we need to get the clean report, correct? So simple clean report we wanted to get, we would be needed for header and whatever that is content it is there. Now this is we got that is in simple all the services. If that is in requirement, right? It is requirement here. A report .csv .ps1. The requirement is please get that whatever the services are running, you know that already. Maybe you got there some requirement. Services are running and the start type shows automatic, and get the report service name, status, and start type. Can you make it? Can you frame it? Very simple. You know that already. We have already discussed on this. Service status are running and the start type shows automatic, and get the report with the header, service name, status, and start type. Who will do it? You know that already, right? How do we do this? Simple. Now open this. Okay. Anyone try? Anyone try? How do we use it? Yeah, please try. Correct. Now
Service status are running.
Get hyphen service,
Where
pipeline
object.
operator, where hyphen object, $_ status. Either you can start or status, whichever you wanted. Status equal to running, right? And what do you want to do? $_ start type equal to, what is that? Automatic. Now you got the result, right? First make it one by one. Now if I executed, you are getting the result, right? Now this I wanted to bring into the report format, and with this service name, status, and start type. How do I do this? Very simple.
Format table.
Sorry, format table. You want to have format table? I said report, format table.
Select hyphen dot.
Select object, yes.
Select object.
So here instead of the format table, I would say this select object is saying, correct? Okay, select hyphen object. Select hyphen object. Now this is my header, correct? Now I would save this path. What is that path here? Export hyphen CSV. And you can also do it if you want to make this lengthy. You can declare the variable, okay, $service $automatic or service $report equal to, right? $report equal to this complete information. If you executed this, and when you type here $report, you will get the result, correct? Yes. Now you can come back here $report pipeline. Now export hyphen CSV. Now
Path.
path
Hyphen path.
hyphen path. Now you can give this DDive Powershell 2025 and class class which is service automatic service dot CSV, no type information. Is this clear? Can I get it this report result?
Yes.
Automatic service dot CSV. Now, do you the automatic service here? Yeah. Now open this automatic service. Can I get it? Report here. Running status shows and start type is automatic. Easy method. Whatever the requirement was there, goal is there. But if you not declare the variable, just see the changes here. If you not declare the variable here, and if you do the continuity, if you do the continuity, this is the changes here. If you don't declare the variable, okay. Export -CSV, and can I get it? I have not declared the variable. If can I take it directly? Now this is completely my requirement. And this is my header, customized header. I'm going to save this file. Is this clear? Can I get it result? Now you can go to the service one file. Do you see this?
Yes.
Service one. This is a file name service one, right? Automatic service one. So either way you can do it for. So can I do it like this? Can I do it like this? Can I do it like this? Is that right manner? Right, correct? You are getting the report, you are exporting report, and you are saying that is in customized header. No, you won't get it. It will be executed, but the report won't be getting properly. Right? See this changes difference between here. It will give the complete your information, but it is not expected. But always you remember, understood that. So whatever you wanted to report before the executing the script, I mean executing the report. Before that is in exporting the report, you need to tell what kind of the customized header you would need it. Right?
Because no customization now.
No, not is not customization. Before the exporting the result report, you should tell what kind of customized header before this. If you put the after this, you won't give you result properly. That's the intention. Right? Now it is for automatic service. Right? You understood everyone. This is how do we export the report? Right? In this file, it is done. Now with the help of this, right? With the help of this of reporting this file and importing the file, everything, I wanted to talk about the bulk example. Now the same information, the same whatever you wanted to see the result, service status are running and startup shows automatic, get the report from 10 servers, example, from all 10 servers. And get the report with the each computer name. This is the actual relevant requirement. Yes or no?
Yeah, we should, I think, we use for loop for this one.
We should use for each looping statement. We should use for each looping statement. Now you should know that everyone know that is in how that for each looping statement work. So last class what we discussed, just we begin with very basic level. Always remember when you ask a PowerShell for the for each looping statement, okay, to manage the bulk requirement. Now here, what is the requirement here? Now we know that is in single server, the script is works, right? And its output is giving me, right? Output is giving me, right? Given correctly, correct? Now the same script execute, same script to run in multiple servers. So now we should tell to the PowerShell, you check, tell to the PowerShell, check SRV01 and verify and give the result, correct? And again go back, check one more server, SRV02 and verify that and give the result, correct? So overall process here, how many are there? 10 servers. You need to process till all 10 server. Then give the report with along with this header and computer name. Makes sense? Yes or no? No
Yes.
matter what requirement you have, you should always follow this process. That's all. Today I'm talking about this simple process. I'll give you some use cases and apply the same logic. To do this kind of logic, we need to understand what is that for each looping statement. Let's ask PowerShell what is for each, how it works. Get -help about underscore for each. Now, what is this for each? What was the yesterday we talked about syntax? The simplest and most typical type of collection to traverse is an array. Within a for each loop, it's a common to run one or more commands against each item in array. The syntax is shows here, this one, very simple. Now, you see, there's examples given you. Please concentrate here. It's important. This is what you are going to do in a actual office in a production requirement. You see, the two things you need to keep in mind. There was given for here. Just keep in mind, there is a format. You just think about this format, how it works. Here, this is a syntax. Okay, what is the syntax here? Dollar item and dollar collections. Correct? And a statement. Now, example, what it says, for each loop, the following example display the values of letter array. Now see this. This is a variable. This is a variable, correct? Letter array, A, B, C, D. These are all stored information to this variable, correct?
Okay.
Agreed?
Yes.
Now, when you use the for each looping statement, this entire information stored into the array, and there would be a temporarily variable called letter. Dollar letter. Same, it is a statement. Dollar item here. This is a format. This is a format. This is a syntax. Dollar item. You can use any of the variable. So there is a two variable must be used. Two variable must be used. One variable is actual store the information, right? And second variable is we need to define temporarily. That would be a temporarily. Okay, keep in mind always, which is dollar. There is a statement for each. The moment you use a for each looping statement, you should open the flower bracket and close the bracket. Now see this. The moment you use a for each looping statement, you have that is in variable. That variable you must use the always here. Now dollar item is a temporary variable. Dollar collection is actual variable which you stored all the information. Now you see this example. The example shows the whatever variable you stored here, that variable bring to you, but temporarily would be using dollar letter. It means for each dollar letter in this is the variable, and whatever information is there in the dollar letter array, it will be stored under the dollar letter. Now you can just write the host dollar letter. Now the entire information store where it is dollar letter. Now it will be going to display the result. Correct? Yes or no? Now
Yes.
this is going to be displaying the result from the dollar letter variable. Correct? Now this is a example. The second variable is temporary. Now dollar letter is my variable. Dollar A, B, C, D, all it is stored into this, and for each this variable is already came here, and we using temporary variable letter, and entire whatever informations are there, it is come here dollar letter. And now we are telling to the script, whenever you use a for each looping statement, you should use with a statement with the within the bracket. This would be the statement. You can do whatever you want here, and that would be the statement. Means it's a script. The entire script you should be bring into this script block. Now right, very simple this one. Now with the help of this, I would need to write my script, my requirement here. Now as I said, by default, if you talk about multiple computer, how do you read it? That you can see this one more. Okay, let me just show you other example. Okay, let's take example for this only to make you to understand, because that looping statement we would be using, you need to go and check it one by one. So now here, what is the requirement here in this requirement to using the, what was the requirement here? What was the requirement? You make it, you can make it separate and frame it later one by one. So get the clear requirement. Service status are running and start time shows automatic, and get the report from all the servers. Now what are the things you needed here? Pre-requestize. What are the things you needed? Pre-requestize. You would need for the input file. Correct? Input file. That is where server name updated. Correct? Which is CSV format. Yes or no? That is server list is my Excel file. I given the path. Second pre-requestize, you need to check the script. Check the script is running in single computer. Correct? Number third, and frame it in for each looping statement. Now I need to get the report with a
Base headers.
customized header Customize header along with computer name. Correct? Header output along with his computer name. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, how do you frame it? Now, first input file. Let's bring this input file here. We have put into the state server file here. Server list. Copy this. Okay, server list. Paste it here. And just see this. We'll put it into that actual correct computer name also. Host name. Okay, this is my correct computer name. Copy this. Okay, and I would put into this 4 and these are all dummy server for to testing purpose. Okay, make it 5 server. Fine. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now input file is ready. Okay, input file is ready. Server list. Check the script is running in a single computer. Now this I has to be run for my computer name. Now remove this everything. Let's take this entire control A, control C. Now I should put into this. Remove everything. Now make it frame it properly. Thus I have that is in computer name is a now what is my computer name here? My computer name is get-help get-service